the most effective way to operate your core business. WERKBLiQ is the new intelligence for machine networks and maintenance. Machine operators, service partners, manufacturers, suppliers and distributors can all connect through WERKBLiQ. One platform, one team. The WERKBLiQ dashboard provides you, the operator, with a constant transparent overview of all the processes in your machine park. You will find machine data, service information, knowledge and complete documentation of all maintenance processes quickly and easily. This makes sure you are always informed, stationary, mobile and in real time. Use WERKBLiQ for managing all maintenance processes, from monitoring and commissioning service partners to ordering replacement parts. Minimal effort, maximum benefit. Resource planning of service assignments makes WERKBLiQ simple and clear. Assigning employees and teams and managing orders and clients is just a click away. Perfectly organized, always informed. The WERKBLiQ app allows for paperless processing of your technicians' service orders in any location, both online and offline. Service reports are created automatically, parallel to documenting work progress. This shortens your time between order application and receipt of invoice. The WERKBLiQ machine network provides manufacturers, suppliers and distributors with another sales channel. Use WERKBLiQ to develop customer relationships, make new offers and to process these easily. Connect to your customer directly via the platform. Design your processes digitally and effortlessly. Give WERKBLiQ a try and see for yourself. www.werkbliq.de